put the FSD on here. All right. It turned that blinker on like so far. I mean, I guess it's fine. Sometimes you don't need it like that. Okay, look, there's no one here. There's no one here in the world. Take the turn. Okay, we did it. Okay. We're gonna hear that thing going around. Okay, take the left. Okay, pull us out. I'm gonna move this. This is, otherwise this is gonna make too much noise. It's gonna annoy me. Okay, go. There we go, nice. Yeah, let's get us home. Nice little drive at night. I saw that it's kind of, it annoyed me a little bit, but like the 2022 Model S's and X and on, they have that ability to swivel the screen. You could pop it out more towards the driver, more towards the passenger. And I was like, damn, that's nice. Like I just missed that. I got this Model S. I feel like it was like as soon as they released the new version of them. So it was. I even have the older CPU in this thing. Like I don't even have the Steam OS. I was like, so I can't play Steam. You know what I mean? They did me a little dirty, but you know, what are you gonna do? No, keep going. Let me disengage here. That was wrong. They were like suggesting a right turn, but so the speed bump coming up here. The speed table shows it here. We're going 30. We're not gonna brake. See? Let me. Brake. Oof. Yeah. So doesn't recognize speed bumps. And I'm testing that for all you guys, you know, so you guys don't have to. You would think it could, especially if there's a sign that says like, hey, speed bump ahead. You think the car would be like, oh, speed bump. But it's like, nah, I'm just gonna go. But I do that for you guys. You know, I want you guys to be able to enjoy life and make it out of here, no problem. I will test these things so you don't have to. Only thing I need you to do is subscribe to this channel so I continue to do that, and I can get to 1,000 subscribers, and then I can get to 2,000. But I'm just gonna keep grinding this year. So maybe I'll get there. Maybe I won't. Come on. Ooh, okay, that was better. Maybe I'll get there, maybe I won't, but if you guys help me along the way, I'll get there faster and these videos will get better. I mean, if you guys like me at least. It seems a few of you guys do. It seems like there's some people that like me out there, and there's some people that probably think my videos are shit. So. Right turn coming up here. Which is, there's not a lot of traffic. It's pretty generally an easy turn for the car to make. So just someone getting towed. Oh, we slowed down a lot to take this. That was a smooth turn. I like that. We're going to come around this corner. Oh, cut the brights off. Oh, that was a Tesla we just passed right there. Okay, hang on, let me take over. The auto steer unavailable. It's dark. Woo! Look at that. Woo! Just take over here. Quick little turn. Trying to get back. Trying to get home. I just want to get home now. I'm done with this drive. This drive is done. No, I'm kidding. I have a good time driving this car. Every time I get to drive it, it's a fun time. I need to actually put out my 1 year later review. I haven't done that yet. I've been thinking about it because I really enjoy doing the FSD Beta videos. They're so much easier to do. Here we go, last roundabout. Okay, slow down. All right, nice. Easy. Easy. Okay, there we go. All right, well listen, I want to thank you guys for checking out this video today. I really appreciate it. I'm still putting out more videos. I am going to be putting out a Tesla 1 year later review, so you guys should look out for that. If you're not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe, hit that bell icon, get more content like this. All right, I'll see you guys in the next one. Be easy out there.